We got the top deals at the lowest. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icons. We can make more review videos so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Also, don't forget to follow us on TikTok and Instagram. All right, let's go ahead and get started. To start here, we got this mower. This is a Toro Smart with the smart toe. Something I didn't even know how it works, but apparently this is the lever you use where you push the mower and it drives by itself. And as you release it, or as you release the pressure, it stops or it goes slower. So it is a recycler max. I really like the beefness of this mower. Something we don't see in the newer mowers, of course. Personal pace. So it just depends on. All right, if you guys never use one of these and you guys have a bigger yard or a ranch or something like that, bigger acreage yard, this is a really nice device to use. I personally got this on clearance about 2 years ago, around 150. Actually got the bigger one. This one's the smaller one. But yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for stuff like this. Sometimes you get some good deals on clearance, and when I post, they do sell out. All right, onto the buy one get one free. So you buy the brushless string trimmer 16-inch or the 765 leaf blower, get a free 2.5 amp hour battery for free. This is a killer deal, guys, especially for all you on Eagle system, or if you want to get into this system. This is a great system to get into. With this battery deal, this is definitely a great item or great hack to get. Not really a hack, but it is great to get this buy one get one free. So that is all right. So $239 down to $215. This is a Craftsman wheeled edger. This is what it looks like. It is gas. Is 4-cycle 30cc, and then you got some great deals. Not good, great deals on this Eagle. $499 with the self-propelled, and if you want the higher end model, which is the touch drive technology, $549 for $50 more. Definitely go for the most expensive model on those, since they're all on sale. You got 125cc push mower, $209 down from $299. It's a killer deal on this one. Actually, it's pretty good deal if you just want a basic mower and just want to get the. All right, so on this one, you buy any of the riding lawnmowers, the T100, the T110, you get a Craftsman leaf blower battery, or a leaf blower and battery for free combo kit. So that's a really good deal on the Craftsman mowers. Not necessarily these, but the riding ones. $99 was $129 for this 6-inch battery chainsaw. So that's it right there. Pretty compact. It's like basically a pruning chainsaw. And then you got this $149 for the 8-inch battery and charger included. So that's the 6-inch and the 2 amp hour battery. That's $99. And then you got the leaf blower attachment. This is I don't know exactly what this is capable with, or what this is compatible with, but it is a leaf blower attachment. You got the clearance 300 watt power inverter. This is great for camping or grid down situations, emergency stuff like that, especially this light as well. $69. If you're on this platform, might as well jump into these, because these are great items to have if you already have those batteries, especially if you have more than one. All right, so this one's $152 down from $169. Craftsman 14-inch 42cc gas chainsaw. And then we got a bigger one here. The other one sold out. They got a few of these. $197 down from $219. 18-inch gas chainsaw. Looks pretty nice. And this one's sold out. Shelf brackets, $8.74 down from $34. And then we got this one. This one's a Husqvarna 20-inch bar, $12 down from. Yeah, this is actually pretty good, pretty nice, but it does not include the chain. That's the only downside on that. 11-inch visible clamp, $26. And this is the clearance section, by the way. That's why I'm showing you guys all this clearance. This is a great item to have for the grill. You got the primer bulb repair kit, $5. And then we got the Pro Load bumper head, $12. So all those items are just accessories for your lawn equipment for the gas. And then you got that cooler, 18-inch cargo bag, $34 down from $49. It's a pretty good deal. And that's what it looks like. And then they got the Craftsman cordless drill, V20 down to $79 down from $99, which is pretty good. It's actually a pretty good discount. And those drills are solid. They're for the DIY, but they're still solid for the DIY. Got a reciprocating saw, a 103. And then you got the knee pads, guys. These are gonna all these items are gonna vary in price on your lows. Yours might be cheaper than this one. Just keep that in mind. So that I've seen these as low as $8. So make sure you guys double check your prices and your lows, because you might see like these. I seen them for $8 definitely, and they've been sold out. This one's 44 down from 49. A gel fit tight. And then they got some Cobalt Comfort Flex 16 down from 18. Alright, so we got this one. This is a Johnson manual leveling rotary laser. This one's 120.06 down from 241. So it's not bad. A pretty good discount. $31 down from 39 for this phone cannon. Up to 3700 PSI. $47 down from 52 for your universal fits all brands XL. Got 8 feet USB Surge Blue. It's pretty nice. Does have some rubber caps. And then we got the Wi-Fi router. $39 from 49. This is older technology, but still works if you guys, have an office or something like that. You want to get that extended range or something. 174 down from 349. This is for this appliances. Make sure you guys double check the appliances. I'm not going to show you guys all of them because sometimes you guys don't want to look at that. But yeah, just an example of what you can get for appliances for rental properties or even for your own house. This one's actually a really nice refrigerator for wine cooler and just beverages, beer, whatever. $3.99 down from $7.99. And then we got this portable vertical compressor, 225 psi. That is $3.99 down from $4.79. It's actually not bad for the DeWalt's. So that's what it looks like right there. And then we got this other one. This one's $3.39 down from $4.39. So 4.5 gallon portable 225 psi horizontal air compressor. It's kind of like a stack style. You got the 3-tool combo kit for $199 with the compressor and 3 tools. So definitely check that out. Check this one. This one's 18 bolts, 18 gauge narrow crown stapler for $219. This is a kit. This is one of the newer ones that they have. The packaging, at least, newer packaging, and definitely check it out. Yeah, usually the older ones are. Well, this one's $129 down from $199. It's pretty good. It does include the impact driver and the drill. Like this one's the older packaging with the green and the black. The white and green are the newer ones. This is buy one get one free. So you buy the tool and get a free starter kit. That's actually not bad. Pretty good deal. All right, so $14.98 and $19.98. These are definitely worth it, guys. I've used these Bosch bits before and they do work really well. Sometimes a little bit more up average. Got the buy one get one free from the Craftsman. Buy $149 for the starter kit. You get a free tool, and that's what it looks like right there. It is down to April the 17th. So if you guys need something like this, or you're on this platform, that's an impact wrench. You got the drill, a hammer drill, and then this is a 30-piece DeWalt Flex Torch, and it does come with the 90-degree adapter. So this is definitely a plus. This is actually a better buy than just buying it by itself. You guys look right here. It is $24.98. Basically getting the other kit for what, $20. But this one's a little different. Don't get me wrong. This one does have like a little handle, so it is a little different. The one that they sell for $24.98 by itself. All right, so you got the 2-blade combo there, and then you got this impact driver here for $67 on clearance, down from $79.98, which is pretty good. All right, so this one's a oscillating blade set for $34.98. It is a 5-piece from DeWalt's. You got the 21-piece titanium nitride coated drill bit set for $24.98. You got the 45-piece tough grit screwdriver bit set for $14.98, which is not bad. And then we got the 2-pack of 12-inch 40-tooth 82 saw blades for $59.98. That is the blades there. And then you got the oscillating blade. This is a really nice kit because even if you buy other ones, you guys can keep all your blades in this this package. You got the DeWalt 12-volt power tools and get a free starter kit. This deal runs until basically you guys got a whole month to buy that kit or buy that deal. $59 there from $129 to 2 amp hour 2-pack of 2 amp hour batteries. $149 for the circular saw. This is the DeWalt's. So you guys do look right there. It is was $249, $99 down from $129 for the 7 1/4 circular saw for the Bosch. So that is right there, 7 1/4. That's the C10 model. You got 119 down from 129 for the cobalts. You buy any multiple 36 volt battery and charger and get a free tool. And then this one's 36.87 down from 40 is a Craig TrueFlex Twin. So there's gonna be some more clearances on the Craigs. This one's 239 down from 399 for the Foreman pocket hole mock. That's what it looks like right there. So I have no idea how to use these. This one's tri-purpose project blocks. 1437. Here's another one. That's this one. That's what it looks like. And then this one, of course, I do know what you do. It is the 90-degree adapter. So this one's $18 down from $30.98. So it's a nice adapter. $6.57 down from $10.98 for the pocket hole jig screws. And then you got the hole jig XL. This one's $44 down from $59.98 for the jig XL. And then $19.77 for the cabinet door mounting. And then check this out, guys. $2.49 for a 6.5 circular saw. This is a killer deal on that one. And then if you guys didn't know, guys, there's actually Bosch has one of the better, more technology advanced drills out there. I will have to make more videos on it. I do have it still, so I will be making some more videos. I just haven't had the time. But yeah, they do have all sorts of technology built into that drill, and not a lot of people know about it. So let us know in the comment section if you guys want to know more about Bosch. You got the Delta 6-inch bench grinder. This is 134. Down from 149 from the Delta. And then you got the Cobalt bench grinder wheel for $5 down from $8.98. And then you got this Porter cable benchtop grinder, $71 down from $79. This is 6-inch. And then you got this drill bit sharpener for $89 down from $99.98. 161 for the scroll saw, down from $269. It does come with a nice stand, so it's pretty much ready to rock and roll on that one. You got the belt disc sander for $224 down from $249. So belt Porter cable. $23.37 for down from $25 for this back support. I don't use these type of. I don't know if you guys do use them, but $807 down from $898. Compact reel. Then this is a really nice bit set here, a bit screwdriver set. 22 down from $24.98 for the multi-bit. Then some toolboxes. These are plastic, but still pretty decent. $37, and this was $11 to 16-inch for the plastic toolbox. So pretty decent, pretty good. It does have a metal handle there and metal latches, so it's pretty good. You got the Backpack Pro. This one's from the Cobalts, $39. You got the 16-inch tool tote for $17 up from $34.98. That's what it looks like right there. I do apologize. It's just rushing through this video. There's a lot to show you guys, but I just don't want to make it a boring video. Anyways, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Make sure you guys give us a follow on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.